Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio AQ-230. And if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first, let's make sure we are in the timekeeping mode. It should look like this, hour, minute, second, and without the dual time symbol. But if not, then you can press the mode button, this one, the top left, and it will move through the modes. This one is the date, and then this one is the alarm. And then this one is the dual time, so hour, minute, second, but this one has TL symbol on the bottom left. Okay, and then press again, this one is the stopwatch, and once more, this is the timekeeping mode. Okay, now let's set the digital time. So from this view, press and hold the bottom left button, this one, the adjust button, and the second will flash or blink like this. So now we can reset the second by pressing the top left button. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute, but if it is 29 or less like this one, it will become 0 without additional minute, like this. Okay, now press this one, the bottom left button, to move to the next item to set, and that is the hour. So for the hour, you can change the number using the top left button. So this one 24 or 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. And let me set, let's say, back to 23. Okay, so you can press and hold and then press one by one. Okay, and now, yes, already 23. Now let's move on to the next item and press this one to do that, the bottom left, and now is the minute. So for the minute, let me set, let's say, 15. So press the top left button to change or to increase the number. Okay, so let's say 15, like this, and then press again the bottom left. Now we move to the time format, so this one is 24, or you can change to 12-hour format using the top left button. So let me set as 24 for this video, and then press again the bottom left, the adjust button, and back to the timekeeping mode. So now we have set 23:16. Okay, what about the calendar? So now let's move on from the timekeeping to the calendar. So from this view, press the mode button, the top left, this one. Okay, so now the calendar, and to set the date, you can press this one, the bottom left, and hold. So now starting with the month, so for the month, you can use the top left button to change the number. So the same thing, or you can press and hold to speed up the process if needed. So now December. Okay, and then press the adjust button again, the bottom left, to move to the next item, and that is a date. So this one, let me press and hold to speed up, and let me set back to date second or 2. Okay, and then press again the adjust button to move to the next item, the day of the week. And for this one, you can press the top left button to change one by one. So let me set as Tuesday. Okay, and then press again the bottom left, and done. So we have set the calendar. And then the next one is setting for the analog hand. So let me get back to the timekeeping mode by pressing the top left button. So this one is the alarm, and then dual time, and then stopwatch, and back to the timekeeping mode. So now let's set the hands, the analog hands, to be the same time as this one, as the digital time. And to do that, we can press this one, the right button, to move the hand. So one press meaning 20 seconds or 1/3 of a minute, like this. Wait. Okay, as you can see, it is moving slowly. Okay, and if you want to move the hands faster, then you can just press and hold, but be careful not to over for the time. You might need to restart or retry another, let's say, 12-hour rotation, and it will take a lot of time. So yes, 23:18. So let me set as this is 17, and then this is 18, and then this is okay. So you can you can fine tune by pressing one by one to get to the third of the minute. And yes, that's all for the analog time. So it's already the same as the digital time, and then we have set the basic setting for Casio AQ-230. I will also make the more detailed version of this tutorial video, so don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.